we have seen the preparation of statement of profit and loss account. So I given one question, so that we will do now. Okay, so I given the question. So in that revenue from operation, it is given other income, then employee benefit expenses, tax rate. So we'll start. So if directly a item it is given means no need of any notes to account. If suppose salary and wages, then you have to write notes number one, employee benefit expenses. Otherwise, no need. Next, add other income. So here it is given 20 percentage of 20 percentage of revenue from operation. So 20 percentage of revenue from operation means here it is given 5 lakh is revenue from operation. Total revenue. Next, less employee benefit expense. Here they given 30 percentage of total revenue. 30 percentage. Okay. Now you will get no other expenses. This will be the total profit before tax. Less tax. So 50 percentage. 50 percentage of profit before tax. So 4 lakh 20,000 into 50 percentage. 2 lakh 10,000. So final amount is profit after tax. Okay. Revenue from operation, add other income, then you will get a total revenue, then less employee benefit expenses, then you will get no other expenses, then you will get profit before tax, less tax. So it is calculated on the base of, tax is calculated on the base of profit before tax. Then you will get profit after tax. Okay. So any doubts? Pavitra, Pavitra, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So over. So now, so which type of question will come from this chapter? So you write question under which heads and subheads. Question under which. Under which heads means major heads, and the subheads will be the following items appear in the balance sheet of a company as per Schedule 3, Part 1 of the Companies Act 2013. So then they will give some items. Okay. So this is the pattern. So we will do some items. Already I given the subhead items. So if you study the full, then you can solve all the problem. Okay. So question like that, then they will give one, two, three, like that they will give question. Okay. Some items they will give. So you have to write major heads and subheads. So how we will write the answer? Over no, under which heads and subheads will be the following items appear in the balance sheet of a company as per Schedule 3 of the Schedule 3 Part 1 of the Companies Act 2013. So how we will write the amount? So you have to make three column items, major heads, subheads. items, major heads, subheads. This will be the question. So first, I am writing. Debentures with a maturity period in current financial year. Within a year. Debenture, normally debenture we know that that is under major head non-current liabilities, subhead long-term borrowing. So debentures within a period of 1 year, anyone, subhead what? Within a year.
Short-term borrowings.
No. Other current liabilities we wrote no. Other current liabilities you look. Debentures. Okay. So subhead other current liabilities.
Sir, we did not write it.
Okay, okay. So you add under other current liabilities. Okay, debentures with the maturity period in current financial year. Major head current liabilities. Next, securities premium. Manila, subhead. Securities premium reserve, subhead. Perfect. Securities premium, subhead.
Reserve and surplus.
Yes, reserve and surplus. Major head.
Shareholders fund.
Yes. Provident fund. Abarna, provident fund. Subhead.
Um, Sir, long-term provision.
Correct. Long term provision. Major head.
Non-current liabilities.
Yes. Non-current liabilities. Okay. Provident fund. Long term provision. Non-current liabilities. Next, Anet. Accrued incomes. Accrued incomes. Subhead. Accrued income. Accrued interest. Anyone? Accrued income? Accrued income. Subhead?
Other current assets.
Yes. Other current assets, then current assets. Okay. So you have to study each item, then only you will get. Next, loose tools. Loose tools. Aditya, loose tools. Loose tools. Aditya, subhead.
Inventories.
Correct. Inventories. Major header. Current assets. Next, provision for employee benefit. Provision for employee benefit. Provision for employee benefit. Aparna?
Sir, long-term provision.
Yes.
Non-current liability.
Yes. Next, unpaid dividends. Unpaid dividends. Anila, everyone turn on your video. Unpaid dividend. Subhead.
Other current liability.
Other current liabilities. Current liabilities. Short-term loans. Short-term loans. Anjo, short-term loans. Subhead.
Short-term borrowing.
Very good. Short-term borrowings. Under current liabilities. Long-term loans. Pavitra. So opposite long-term borrowings. Non-current liabilities. Capital reserves. Anna, capital reserve. Subhead. Major head. Shareholders fund. Next. Or no? Next items. Bonds. Bonds. Aparna, bonds. Subhead.
Sir, intangible asset.
No. Bond. Karthik, anyone?
Non-current investment.
Yes, non-current investment. So sub major head, non-current asset. Non-current assets. Loans repayable on demand. Loans repayable on demand. Anet, loans repayable on demand. Anila, loans repayable on demand.
Short-term borrowing.
Short-term borrowings, current liabilities. Loans repayable on demand. Loans repayable on demand, current liabilities, short-term borrowing. Next, vehicles. Vehicles. Anjo, vehicles.
Fixed asset.
Fixed assets, tangible or intangible?
Tangible.
Non-current assets. Goodwill. Hannah, fixed assets, intangible. Fixed assets, intangible, same head, major head, non-current assets. Premium on redemption of debentures. Yeah. Premium on redemption of debentures. Only debenture it is given, that is long term borrowing. Debenture within a 1 year, there is current liability, other current liability. Premium on redemption of debenture, repayment time if you give more amount.
Other long-term liabilities.
Yes, other long term liabilities. Other long term liabilities, major head, non current liabilities. So it is easy to get a mark, but you have to study the items under each subhead. Next, balance with the banks. Balance with the banks. Karthik, subhead,
Cash and cash equivalents.
yes, cash and cash equivalents. Major head, current. Next, or no? Tax reserve. Tax reserve. Anila, subhead, reserve is there no. Then okay, next item. Next item. So two items same only. So together I am writing calls in advance, interest due on calls in advance. Two item only. Calls in advance, interest due on calls in advance. So anyone?
Other current liabilities.
Yes. Other current liabilities, current liabilities. Next, tools and spares. Tools and spares. Aditya?
Inventories.
Yes. Mining rights. Mining rights. Anjo? Mining rights. Karthik?
Fixed assets intangible.
Yes. Encashment of employees earned leave payable on retirement. Payable on retirement. Aparna?
Sir, long-term provision.
Yes. Okay. So tomorrow I will teach the remaining items. So one thing you have to remember, you have to study each subhead item, then it will be easy. Karno, if you study, then it will be easy. So this will be the questions, pattern of question from this chapter. Under which head and subhead. So you have to make two column items, major heads, subheads. Okay, so remaining tomorrow I will discuss. Okay, tomorrow I am